guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to talk about strawberry legs and ingrown hair. I know that was an issue which I used to face for the longest of time, and I think that is most of us, because we start waxing, we start shaving, but we don't know what to do after that to take care of our skin and make sure that you're not getting strawberry legs. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to show you guys what you guys can do. Very simple, very small changes which you have to make, which will help you with your strawberry legs. Okay, now the first thing is, after you have done your shaving or waxing, okay, honestly I would recommend go for your shaving. You don't have to do waxing. Waxing is super painful. You are like pulling your hair out. You can just do shaving. Okay, and then eventually when you want something more permanent, just go and do laser hair removal, and let me know if you want a video on that. I will make a video on that as well. So the first thing that you need to do is change your body wash, especially a couple of days before, not before, a couple of days after you have done your shaving or waxing. Okay, and you want to use any salicylic acid body wash. Now this is one from Foxtail, and if you go and check my Instagram, which I'm going to link down below, this is my Instagram page. So if you go there and you see, I have actually made a collaborative reel with Foxtail, because this body wash is just that good. Great fragrance. It has like these micro beads. Again, you can see that in the reel. I've shared everything over there, like all the smaller minute details are there, but this is really great to not have ingrown hair. Okay, so this is one option. I have one more option. Again, I have used this one as well, which is from Be Body Wise. This is the Be Body Wise 1% salicylic acid body wash. Even this is really good. The only thing is, I think I like the fragrance of this one better than of this one. That's the only difference. Otherwise they both are good, and this has actually 2% salicylic acid and zinc PCA. And zinc PCA, can you see this green thing over here? That's actually zinc PCA powder which I got. FYI. Okay, zinc PCA is really good at soothing your skin, right? And this also has other ingredients, the Be Body Wise one. But yeah, anyways, these are two options which you can try. And the next one, which I personally love, as you can see, I've almost finished it up. This is the Deep Clean Facial Cleanser. Now, nowhere does it say it has salicylic acid, but in the ingredients, if you go and see, it does mention that it has salicylic acid. And I actually got this for my face, but I think it was a bit too harsh for my face ka skin, and I got breakouts using this. But for my body, it was so good. Okay, so good for my underarms, my legs, my hands. I used this after shaving and I have loved it. I loved the way my skin was feeling, and also I noticed that my ingrowns were really like too minimized, okay, after using this. So yeah, these are my three options. Now when I say options, what, like, is there any ranking? Not really. Depends on which product you can get your hands on. Okay, all of them are great. The only plus point of this is the fragrance. Okay, so there's that. That's the first thing that you need to do. Now the next thing is, start applying a salicylic acid ointment. I'm going to link all these products down below in case you want to go check it out. But this is a 12% salicylic acid cream. Now you have two ways to use it. One, take some cream on your hand like so. Okay, take a little bit, and then you just want to sort of apply that on your hands, legs, wherever you have done the shaving. On top of this, you want to apply a moisturizer. This one is from Dermafique, by the way. This is their body serum moisturizer. Anything is fine, huh? Any moisturizer. And then you want to apply the moisturizer on top. That's one way. Now the other way is, you take your salicylic acid cream and your moisturizer, mix it together, and then apply. Right? Don't go overboard. It's not like if you apply too much salicylic acid, you will get super soft hands. It doesn't work like that. No skincare will work like that. Your body needs what it needs in a very small quantity, but over a long period of time to actually show any results. Okay? So use a very small amount, like a teeny tiny amount you have to use, and mix that with your moisturizer and apply. Now when you are applying this cream, make sure that you are using a sunscreen as well. Any sunscreen is fine, either a liquid sunscreen or even a spray, anything is fine. Just use sunscreen when you're stepping out, because the worst thing you can do for your skin, guys, is apply active ingredients and then, you know, sort of just go out and expose your skin to the UVA and UVB rays. That's the worst thing you can do. Trust me. So don't do that. right? And just try these things out, and trust me, you will yourself see the ingrowns that you generally get go away. And of course, you can't stop hair growth, so eventually your skin, like, you know, the hair will start coming out and all, you'll again have to shave and everything. But try these two tips actually, right? One is using a salicylic acid body wash, and the other one is using this ointment together, and you will be mind blown at the results. All the links will be down below, and if you have not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do. I am trying to upload frequently as much as possible, right? And yeah, also do follow me on Instagram for more updates as to what's happening, what's going on. Also, I share a lot of DIYs on my channels, Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, that's what I do, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.